Hi, my name is Ricardo Taborda and I'm an insurance consultant for the private branch of AGA Seguros. I work with all types of insurances and for the last couple of years I've been assisting Golden Visa clients with their insurance needs here in Portugal, especially the Hong Kong community. In this video I'm going to explain in a simple and easy way everything you need to know about the multi-risk insurance. As you might know, the purpose of the multi-risk insurance is to get your apartment and or contents protected against the risk of fire and other risks. In Portugal, home insurances are mandatory for buildings under horizontal ownership. It must cover each autonomous fraction and the common parts of the building. Despite fire insurance is the minimum insurance package, it's highly recommended to buy a multi-risk insurance where you get all the important protection. Here are some examples of coverages of the multi-risk insurance. In this list I highlight floods, storms, water damage, earthquakes, and electrical hazards. Depending on the type of usage of your apartment, the adequate insurance may differ. Short-term rents as an Airbnb or local accommodation require some additional mandatory coverage. With AGA's house insurance, you get the mandatory fire insurance for your house, and you also get a complete package of protection against any damage. We have two packages, the basic package called Casa with essential protection, and the premium package called Casa Plus with more protection and extra coverage. As you can see, both of them are really complete with all the important coverages, but package Casa Plus has some more coverages like damage due to water, civil liability mini-pack, electrical risks, and assistance and cyber risk mini-pack. You can also add these mini-packages to Casa package. As an example, we use a newly built apartment in Lisbon with 50 and 100 square meters. This is for a complete protection with non-deductibles and all the important coverages. And as you can see, the premiums don't differ that much. The main differences are attributable to location, size, and age of the building. This is our short-term rental option. The option is different from the short term, and as you can see, it also includes every important coverage that you might want, and you can also include some supplementary coverage like electrical risks, storms, floods, earthquakes, and so on. As an example, we use the same example as before, a 50 square meter apartment in Lisbon and 100 square meter apartment in Lisbon. The premiums are almost the same, are a little bit higher, but the difference is because the risk is higher on this type of rental. If you rent your apartment as a local accommodation, you also need to get a local accommodation insurance, like I told you before. In this case, this insurance guarantees the damages caused to guests and by guests to third parties. With our local accommodation insurance, you also get a host and guest assistance that gives all the necessary assistance to your guests. About AGAs. AGAs, it's an international insurance group with focus mainly on Europe and Asia, and we have more than 37 million customers. We are the largest international insurance company here in Portugal, and above all, we are insurance specialists with a personalized offer and assistance for business, customers, and companies. Why me? When you decide to buy an insurance, it is important to notice that you expect help and guidance during all subscription process and during all contract in case you need to make a claim, for example. This way, I always suggest to get an insurance consultant like myself, where you can find all this help and assistance. With me, you can count with an insurance expert with experience with Hong Kong community clients. I do remote or face-to-face meetings in fluent English with an easy digital subscription process. You don't need to send physical or signed documents by mail or any other way. And most important of all, I give all the help and follow-up you might need. This way, it is always better to opt for a personal insurance agent instead of banks where you have lots of bureaucracy and they are really difficult to reach out after your purchase. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please contact me via email or WhatsApp and I will gladly help you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.